Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick video on a WYZE V3 cam, specifically this one right here. There's an issue that I ran into less than a year of purchase of this camera. The image became foggy, like there was condensation, and then it stopped working altogether. I have maybe 5 more cameras that I am using outdoors, and I didn't have this issue, and I came to the conclusion that the issue was this camera receives 90% of maybe direct sunlight when the sun is out. And I don't know if you can notice, but the lens right there is discolored. So what I think happened is the UV rays broke this down and caused it to fail. I have a new one, a replacement, and I have a solution, or maybe a temporary solution to the problem. So WYZE was kind enough to replace the camera, and if you look at this, you look at the lens, it is really nice and black, nice and dark. And this is the one that failed. See this? See how it has this gray, kind of brownish discolorization. So what I did was I cut out a piece of plastic container, and I made this makeshift cover shield, so when it's out in the sun, instead of getting the direct sunlight, as you see here, the sun is blocked, as you can see. If you go up, see, this is the way it normally was before, but since this camera is placed at an angle, when the sun hits it now, this will cover the actual lens, preventing the same issue from happening again. And it doesn't show in the image itself. So I just wanted to make this quick video to give an update. If you do have these outside and they are in direct sunlight for the whole day, they will fail. Anyway, that's it, and if this helped anyone, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.